Alrighty, let's take a look at this thing, right? So basically we've got efficiency is output divided by input, right? Or we can make a little triangle like this. E is O over I, right? The efficiency is output over input, right? And then, of course, if you say this right, you can get EIO, right? Which is old McDonald had a farm, apparently, right? All right, so let's see, 78% efficient. So we got 0.78. Don't use 78, please. Okay, is how much heat would it consume to put out, to provide, right? So that must be our 120, right? Over input. Now the math gets hard, right? But if you look at this, input is just output divided by E, right? So is 120 divided by 0.78. That's not so hard, right? That's 153.8, or roughly 154 joules. So that's our first answer, right? And then it says how much useful heat could it produce. So we want to know the output, right? From 360 joules of fuel energy. So we'll set up another one, 0.78, right? Is we want to know the output. So out divided by 360, right? And of course, what we're going to do here is cross multiply, or we can cover that up and notice that it's E times I, right? So out is 0.78 times 360. So 0.78 times 360. Only 78% of it gets put out, right? So that's what we're doing here, right? So we get 280.8 joules, right? Which is about 281. Yeah. Ta-da. Good enough. Good luck.